Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to go over how to use the Fillet tool and the Chamfer tool in Solidworks. So both the Fillet and Chamfer tools are part of the same menu, which is located right here in the feature menu. And usually when I sketch a fillet or a chamfer, I like to select the edge that I want to add a fillet or chamfer to first. In this case, we're going to add one right here to the top of our plate from video 2. And then we can go to the fillet menu and we can click either fillet or chamfer. In this case, we're going to do a fillet. When you use the fillet tool, it will select the entire edge and it will give you a radius. By default, it wants to give you 10 millimeters. I'm going to change it to 5, just make it a little bit smaller. And then, when you're ready to add the fillet, you're just going to click the check mark. And as you can see, fillets give you a nice rounded edge to your part, which can make it easier, especially if this was going to be a part that is inserted into an assembly. Now, if you want to change it to a chamfer, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And the same idea, we're going to select the edge, but instead of fillet, we're going to select chamfer. Now, there's a few options up here. My personal preference is this one, distance, distance, but I've also used angle distance before. For distance, distance, you're going to go down here and provide a distance, and then it's going to make the chamfer. So again, we'll select 5 millimeters. And it will add the chamfer, again, around the entire edge. Now, if you wanted to do angle distance, same idea, but now you're going to also specify an angle. In this case, it's going to do 45 degrees. You're going to hit the green check, and it's going to save. So depending on your part, you may want to use chamfers over fillets, especially if it's going to be machined. Chamfers are highly recommended, but if it's going to be 3D printed, I highly recommend that you use fillets. In the next video, we're going to go over the patterns tool and the mirror tool. Thank you.